Tully from Kosher Elevated here. Today I will show you how to make delicious homemade herring with rainbow trout. I personally love all types of herrings, but I always have a problem with the herring fish. I like mine a lot fresher, and I like rainbow trout over the herring fish that we make. It's a very easy and simple recipe. It requires a limited amount of ingredients, and it's basically rainbow trout, salt and sugar for the cure, which we're going to start first, chopped up red onion, chopped up fresh jalapeno. I added in some of the seeds for an extra kick, some salt, and fresh black pepper. We're going to start off with the cure. It's equals amount salt and sugar, depending on how much fish you're making. I did a half a cup of each. I think it should be enough. We'll see once I put it in there if it needs more. It's gonna cure for about, I would say, 3 hours. Then we're gonna wash it off after that. We got ours filleted without the skin. After that, we're gonna wash off our fish from the cure, and then we're just gonna assemble it together, and we're just gonna add in again salt for the final, for the herring, for the actual product. This is enough, a half a cup, you can see, for 2 strips, half a cup of salt, a half a cup of sugar. It's gonna go into the fridge now for 3 hours, and after that, we will get back to it. All right, 3 hours have passed. You can see it's a lot harder. It's basically cured. Not basically, it's cured. We're gonna rinse it off right now, and then we're gonna chop it up into small pieces. Okay, the fish is cured, rinsed, and patted dry after rinsing it. And now we're gonna chop it into pieces. Now, you can make it to whatever size, you can cut it to whatever size you want. We're gonna do more on the smaller pieces. So it's like, almost like little tidbits. And over here it gets a lot thinner, so we're gonna do a little bit different as well. And as you can see, the fish color is a little different. It's a little hard from the salt. All right, now we're gonna take it, just cut it to these small bits. So we got some herring tidbits. This is how I like it. And again, you can do whatever you want. Just cut them. Doesn't matter which way. Doesn't matter what size. Do it to your liking. And that's all. I'm just gonna take this off because this is basically skin. And then we're gonna assemble it. Now, we're gonna assemble it on a plate nicely right now as a platter, but after that you can put it into a container, and you want to let the herring sit with the oil, the onions, the jalapeno, the salt, and the pepper. You want the fish to absorb all the flavors that comes along with it. Again, now that our herring is chopped up, we'll start assembling it. We have some extra virgin olive oil. Try not to get the fishy hands on it as we're opening. So we're going to start first with a base of oil on the bottom. All right. And we're just going to spread our fish in it. Spread them out. Got our fish, and now we will top it with some red onion. All right. And you can add a lot of red onion, a little, depends on your liking, depends. Some people like the onions more than the fish. All right. This is what we're gonna do for now. And then we will top it with some jalapeno. Again, depending on how much you like, flavor, with the seeds, without the seeds, to your liking. We like it a little bit spicy here. That's what we discovered. All right. And now we will add some salt again. And we will crack some fresh black pepper. Again, we like it spicy. It really depends on how you like yours. Now we're going to top it with some more olive oil. And there you go. Some delicious homemade rainbow trout herring.